Okay.
Take 171.
Yes! Stepping. Pouring. Pouring. Not quite done yet. Wait for the step to end. Oh, someone, what's the time right now? Okay, what's the time?
Stop it, it's making a mess.
So this is the walkthrough of our board games machine. Our starting task is rolling the dice, so we're playing Yahtzee, and we're going to roll the dice. When you do, it will knock a marble, and the marble comes down this track. And I'm not supposed to be rolling it, but anyways, so the marble continues down the track, and it's just so that the marble doesn't come out of the track here, and the angle is steep enough to knock this copper, and it goes down this track into these copper forks, completing a circuit for the subtask of going around Go for Monopoly and winning $200. It knocks this hockey stick, which is on a pivot, out of the way of the community chest, opening it, releasing some money. While that's happening, it knocks this marble and this construction worker down a zip line, and the construction worker ends up in a hungry hippo. And then the marble at the same time is rolling down these tracks, following the path, down the copper wire, down the other copper wire, down this copper wire, activating a pulley, which pulls a pin out, letting the subtask Colonel Mustard, killing Miss Scarlet, and letting her tumble to her death, just like in the board game Clue, knocking over this marble into this basket, which triggers a switch underneath, triggering the bulldozer, which pushes forward, and the fan's running the entire time, by the way, activating the battleship, which goes into battle and then is hit once by an enemy bullet, and then that piece of copper here completes a circuit with these two wires and this battery, causing the race car to knock out this support for this cannon, and then when the cannon tips up, it knocks this wire out of the way, releasing this ball, which is on like sort of a bend, so it just stays, and it comes down this spiral into some circuits, and it hits a switch and completes the circuit, lighting up the nose, which is blue. It's kind of hard to see, but it does light up for operation. And it pulls up a gate, letting this robot find its way around, kind of a maze type of deal. And once it finds its way around, it hits a marble off of a platform that's balanced very, very precariously, and it falls into a mouse trap which pulls open like a cork and releases the mouse trap onto the mouse. And then the mouse trap hits an actual mouse trap, which is with a card on there, so that it's the energy is displaced and it's easier to trigger. And then the Jenga tower is on a rope and a hook to redirect the forces to pull over the Jenga tower, spilling its contents into the cascade of glasses. And it's pretty good.